Did you know most people eat a meal in just minutes? We often find ourselves in a rush, barely taking the time to chew, let alone savor our food. We rush through bites, barely tasting our food. Our minds are elsewhere, focused on screens or tasks, not on the meal in front of us. What if I told you there's a better way? A way to enjoy food more and feel better. Imagine slowing down and truly experiencing each bite. It's called mindful eating, and it's simpler than you think. It's about being present and fully engaged with your meal. It's about bringing your full attention to the experience of eating. Every bite becomes an opportunity to connect with your senses. No distractions, just you and your food. This means putting away your phone, turning off the TV, and creating a peaceful eating environment. Think about it. When was the last time you truly tasted your food? When did you last pause to appreciate the flavors? When did you notice the aroma, the texture, the burst of flavors? Each meal can be a sensory adventure if we allow it. Mindful eating is about rediscovering the joy of eating. It's about making each meal a moment of pleasure and gratitude. It's about nourishing your body and soul, one bite at a time. So slow down, savor, and let each meal be a moment on your plate. Mindful eating is more than just chewing slowly. It's a practice that encourages you to be fully present with your food. It's about engaging all your senses, immersing yourself in the experience of eating. See the vibrant colors of your food. Smell the enticing aromas that waft up from your plate. Feel the textures as you take a bite, noticing the difference between crunchy and soft. Listen to the sounds of your food as you chew, whether it's a satisfying crunch or a gentle squish. Really taste each flavor, letting it linger on your tongue, savoring the complexity of each bite. Notice how different flavors interact and complement each other, creating a symphony of tastes. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, recognizing when you need to eat and when to stop. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied, not overly full. This helps you maintain a healthy relationship with food. Mindful eating is about being present in the moment, savoring each bite without judgment or distraction. It's about reconnecting with the pleasure of eating, finding joy in the simple act of nourishing your body. The benefits of mindful eating extend far beyond just enjoying your food more. It can help you manage your weight, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. When you slow down and pay attention to your food, you're more likely to recognize your body's signals of fullness. This can prevent overeating and help you make healthier food choices. Mindful eating can also reduce stress by bringing you into the present moment. By focusing on the sensory experience of eating, you can quiet your mind and find a sense of calm. Are you ready to discover the secret to unlocking these incredible benefits? Section 4. Unveiling the Secret. The secret to mindful eating is simple. Start small. Begin by taking smaller bites and chewing slowly. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 mindful eating practices into your daily routine. This could be as simple as paying attention to the texture and flavor of your food. Choose 1 meal a day to eat mindfully. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It doesn't matter which one you start with. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and eliminate any other distractions. Create a calm and peaceful environment for your meal. Focus on your food and the sensations you experience. Notice the colors, the smells, and the different flavors with each bite. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually incorporate more mindful eating practices into your life. This could include eating more slowly or taking breaks between bites. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Take your time and be patient with yourself. Now for the special tip I promised, gratitude. This simple practice can transform your eating experience. Before you take your first bite, pause for a moment to appreciate your food. Reflect on the journey it took to get to your plate. Be thankful for the farmers who grew it, the people who prepared it, and the nourishment it provides. This gratitude can deepen your connection to your food and enhance your overall experience. Section 5. Your turn to savor. Mindful eating is a powerful tool that can transform your relationship with food. It's about slowing down, savoring each bite, and appreciating the nourishment that food provides. I encourage you to try it. Start small, be patient, and enjoy the journey. You might be surprised at how much more you enjoy your food and how much better you feel. What are your thoughts on mindful eating? Have you tried it before? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below.